Good evening, all. My name is Ladilvia Lee, owner of Budget Therapy LC. We are now offering customized budget templates as well as customized business templates. You can get these in Excel, in Apple Numbers, and in Google Sheets. They are now available on our website at www.mybudgettherapy.com. That's www.mybudgettherapy.com. What we're looking at now is a business spreadsheet. Everything in here is false information, but what it does help you do is you can put in the date and the vendor or the customer, depending on if you're receiving a vendor payment or if you're actually paying a vendor for supplies, and who the customer is. You can also track what payment method they used or what website. That's totally customizable, especially if you have a website and maybe you sell on Etsy and maybe you sell on eBay. You can track to see which one is doing the most business. If you do offer goods and services, in some states you're taxed on goods but not services. So it does allow you to choose if it's a good or a service or if it's just a business expense. You can track order numbers. And what I can do here is if you want to track if you fulfilled the order, we can put a column in here to show that the order was fulfilled. You can put in your type of product and the quantity they ordered. And then you have a breakdown. This is very useful, especially when it comes to filing your state taxes and your federal taxes. You can put the total amount of the product plus any taxes you may have charged them, plus any shipping fees that you may charge them, minus any fees that some websites charge, like PayPal and Etsy. And then you can see your total revenue. Over here, it does allow you to categorize it, so it's easy to upload when you're doing your taxes. There's several categories here, and most of these I've tried to match with the IRS. If it's not complete, we can totally customize it. You can choose what kind of business expense it is, if it's inventory or legal or professional fees or supplies. And up here you have a running total. The great thing about this is when you have all of this information in here, you can actually do a tax analysis, which I've done here. And there's a summary of your income and your inventory and your supplies. There may be more columns if you've done some advertising. And then it'll also give you a more detailed breakdown. So, of your income, what was the total amount, plus taxes, plus shipping, minus any fees. And this is what revenue you've actually received. You can also do a cost analysis. So when you're making a product, and here you can input whatever your product is. Maybe you buy a lot of material at one time and use it on multiple products. So you can list your material and the quantity that you buy in bulk, the total cost plus the shipping and the taxes charged for that product, and it'll break it down for you and tell you how much there is of each. So if you bought like 25 t-shirts and the cost before shipping and taxes was $238, then you paid $35 for shipping, $21 in taxes, then the total for each shirt came out to $11.80. If it takes multiple materials to make one shirt, it will total the cost here. And then you can kind of figure out how much you want to sell your shirt for. You can do it based on what sales price you have in mind. So here the total cost is $79.36, which is our total cost of material here. But you want to sell it for $85. So you're making a $5.64 profit, or 7% profit. 7% profit. And what it does tell you here is to enter your sales price only, because it's automatically pulling the total cost of materials from here. Or if you have a desired percentage, say, hey, my total cost is $79, I want to make 25% profit, it'll actually total what your sales price should be here, and your profit will be approximately $20. Now, if you wanted to include shipping in your sale price, so I know some people sell their product and they say free shipping, but really it's included in your sales price, This does account for that here, so you can see that your total material cost went from $79 to $84. So it's adding in that $5. And then you can calculate your profit from there. Another thing that I like about this spreadsheet is if you like to keep track of your balances, maybe you have balances in multiple places, um, we can add as many tabs as possible here for the accounts that you want to track. Now, right here, you see I have PayPal and Cash App and Zelle, but you can add banking account, you can add Mercari, eBay, or whatever you want to do. And the great thing about this is, let's say you use PayPal and you cash it out to your business bank account. When you have purchases here, you can actually change it to cashed out when you've actually cashed it out to your bank account. Um, and then you'll have an entry here for the cash out. So basically, you'll zero out. So your cash out may be $1,000 and $1,019, but their fee was $1. So total here is $0. Um, but maybe you have a payment that's pending because you don't cash out, but once a week or once a month or whatever, so you can change it to pending. But this will give you a running balance of your PayPal account, so you always know what's in there. And then we can do the same thing for Cash App or Zelle or whatever be the case. This does not only cover, again, just your sales, but you can also put in your supplies because people are going to purchase supplies. So you can see here that when you make a sale, the number is positive. But when you have to buy supplies or inventory for your business, it is a negative number. So you kind of see how your business processes. Now, we do customize these. I know right now I have it as budget therapy colors. But we can customize these based on your business because I know that every business has different business needs. Some people like to see pie charts. Maybe you have a particular product that you can't use this format for. So what we do is we figure out what you want, and then we'll customize it for you. So you can purchase this service on our website. If you go to the products page, you'll see customizable business expense spreadsheet or customizable budget spreadsheet. So again, go to www.mybudgettherapy.com. The service is inexpensive, and we try to get it back to you within 24 hours, the latest 48 hours, and we'll definitely contact you to make sure we're meeting your needs. Thank you.